video? You want me to be your Valentine? Oh, that's so sweet. But I'm busy. Loser. Okay, bye. POV, I am your girlfriend for this Valentine's Day and we're just gonna stay at home, chill, and make little fondue. And it looks so cute, so I'm so excited to actually make this. Welcome to 𝐸'𝐻𝐻 kitchen, but it's in my bedroom, in my bed actually, quite literally. Excuse my hair, this is actually what my natural hair looks like when I get out of the shower, so I did just get out of the shower. I don't feel like burning it with a straightening iron today, so we're keeping my naturally wavy hair in. And what we're gonna do is make mini fondue. Wow! Just wanted to make a really chill video where I get to hang out with you for Valentine's Day because you are my date. What I'm most excited about is this dumplings kitchen. I don't actually have to be in the kitchen. I can stay here on my bed and make this dough. I think you do need water and a microwave at some point. That's absolutely fine. I'll just like run to them. It's a cute little date, you and me. This was like a trend in 2015. It's a Japanese DIY candy kit, I think is what they call those YouTube videos. So it's like an OG type YouTube video, and I used to find them so satisfying to watch. I would not stop watching them when they were like a trendy thing. All the instructions are in Japanese, very fun for somebody who does not know how to like read kanji or anything like that. So let's just open it up and go with the flow. The box is so pretty. I feel guilty for even opening it up. Oh, there's a specific part where you open it up. What's your favorite rom-com? I have seen every single action comedy, romantic comedy, early 2000s chick flick. I've seen all of them, and I have a lot of them up here in my like wall of CDs and DVDs. Ta-da! This type of video is not recommended for somebody that yaps a lot like me. Look at how cute the fondue is. I'm gonna make my sister try it later on. Oh! You have it like all organized. This is perfect for fellow ADHD brains. You have banana, marshmallow, something else, strawberry, something else. Why do they have to make everything pretty in Japan? Stop it. My favorite scissors. I brought them all the way from Bulgaria. I've had them since I was 6 years old. I'm gonna open it this way. Oh my god, I even shaved my arms for you. If it looks anything uglier than this, we're gonna smash it. I don't settle for anything less than pretty. A pretty girl has to have a pretty Valentine's Day with pretty packaging. Strawberry, chocolate, marshmallow. You tell me. Whoever speaks Japanese, let me know. Banana and strawberry. Oh, they look so cute together. Oh my god, this is so cute. Also, this cost me like £5, which is kind of a lot for how tiny it is. But for the aesthetics, it's very fair, very reasonable. And we have little confetti. Little spoon, so I can spoon feed you later on. This is not this. Can you translate this for me? My favorite scissors are underperforming today. Why is that? Very unevenly. Ew. Why do I have to cut this? Why didn't they cut it for me? Maybe the cutting is friends we make along the way. Oi! Oh shit! I poured in the wrong thing. This never happened. Go back where it came from. How did I mess up the first step? I am supposed to use the strawberry jelly. Oopsie. Let's mix it. It looks like a clump of period blood. Why am I so bad at this? And why is it not mixing well? Is this expired? Is this romantic? Are you having a good time, sweetie? I'm gonna light a candle to set the mood. Don't do this at home. This is a potential fire hazard because I'm putting it on my bed. Now that we have our clump of blood... Oh, it's getting thicker. Okay. Yummy. I feel like I'm the only one trying in this relationship. Ta-da. So cute. Oh my, doesn't this just look like the perfect strawberries? Nana is literally quaking. Banana is officially mixed, I think. It's so fluffy. Can't wait to eat this later. What do I do with these clumps? Okay, I am now supposed to microwave this. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8. So, whoa. Wow, I can't believe it actually worked. Look at it. It's actually so fluffy. I don't want to cut it. Where are you supposed to cut it? Ready? Do you want to smell it? Does it smell like success? Does it smell like love? No. Okay. Talk about third wheeling. You third wheeling? Yeah. Out of all of them, this is the cutest. Place it here and cut it. I'm gonna try to take out the strawberries now. Oh, worked. Here we have the strawberries, the banana, the little bread. Now we're gonna do the marshmallows. Circle time. Whoa. Ah, this looks so cute. I can't. I was skeptical at first, not gonna lie. Don't let the negativity get to you, okay? I have put water inside of this, and now for the final. I get to use the strawberry sauce that I messed up earlier. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like chocolate for real. Oh my god. I wish this is what you got to do in home ec. Oh my god, it smells so good. Stop. Wait. Adorable. Can you see it? This is the cutest thing ever. Okay, I'm gonna dip it in pink. Look at it. This is the cutest thing ever. I'm gonna try the cake. I'm gonna put in chocolate. Okay, 2, 1. Wait. This actually tastes so good. I need to bring one to my sister as well. I'm a little skeptical about the bananas. Ta-da! Bon appetit, baby. It's so tiny. It's like a little pudding. Okay, let's try triple one. 3, 2, 1. So far the cake is good. And you know the marshmallows are good. You know the marshmallows be hitting. Oh, let's put all of it on there. Okay, cake, banana, marshmallow, strawberry. Bullshit. I'm gonna go bring these to my sister and see what she says. I made you two. I don't think they're dog friendly. I'm sorry, guys.
It smells nice. Why is it so little? That's for you. Yeah. Just like a fourth of a bite. And you made it in 2 hours only. Oh, I get 2 bites.
I'm spoiling you.
I prefer this one.
I knew it. I said it. I knew you're gonna like the banana one more. I can't get over how good the cake is. It's 20 seconds in the microwave. That's insane. A 10 out of 10 experience. Do it. Do it with me. I'm plucking away all the negative energy. I'm giving you acupuncture. While we were doing all of this, did you think of your favorite rom-com movie? I have a list on my phone of the different rom-coms that I like, so I'm gonna let you know. One day maybe I'm gonna do like a full video where I share my list of early 2000s and 90s favorite movies, because I have a long list and I have like ratings and everything. I love 10 Things I Hate About You. I know everybody says that, but it's a classic and the casting is so good in 10 Things I Hate About You. It's so good. Uptown Girls is really good, but it's also like sad, so if you feel like emotional and crying and like want to touch in with your childhood self, then I recommend Uptown Girls. Mean Girls, an iconic one for a reason. Mean Girls is so good at explaining like social commentary. Charlie's Angels is also really good. I know I'm saying like all like early movies, but like that's the vibe we're going for Valentine's. Legally Blonde, another classic for a reason, except the third one. I don't know what happened there. Freaky Friday. If you're having like a Valentine's Day with your girlfriends and you're like staying home and like watching movies and talking. In Bulgaria, there's a very particular word for somebody that looks like with very messy hair, like me, or like very messy looking. And the word for the day is разплетена дамаджана. Ти приличаш на разплетена дамаджана. I look like a разплетена дамаджана. I don't know what дамаджана means, but разплетена means like, wow. What's the English word for it? I actually don't know. I'm gonna Google it. This is what разплетена дамаджана means. One day I really want to make a Bulgarian YouTube video. So if there's any Bulgarian people watching, let me know what kind of Bulgarian YouTube video you'd want to see. Unfortunately, my camera died, so I'm gonna end this on my phone. I'm gonna keep having my little snacks. I'm gonna keep eating it because this is actually my first meal of the day, I think. No, it's actually not. No, my stomach lies. So I'm gonna keep having this. I'm gonna keep eating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to try other like of those like cute little Japanese candy boxes. I quite like this one. there was a hamburger set that looked really cute, and I actually wanted to try this ice cream one, which I saw. I was stuck between the ice cream and the fondue, but like the chocolate fondue seemed more like Valentine's Day. So thank you for watching. Love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.